Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we discuss few terms that we are going to use in cryptography. So, in our last class, we clearly discussed about additive cipher technique. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below because we are going. So, in order to better understanding those terms those classes are very helpful. So coming to the first term, we are going to use symmetric key cryptography. So what's that symmetric key cryptography means? In our additive cipher, the key value which we are going to use is 15. Key is equal to 15. During the encryption, we used key is equal to 50. During the decryption, we used the key is equal to 15. Means whenever encryption and decryption using the same key value, then we say it as a symmetric key cryptography technique. So additive cipher, example, additive cipher comes under symmetric key cryptography technique. Similarly, asymmetric key cryptography means encryption and decryption uses different keys. Encryption is going to use one key and decryption is going to use another key. Then we say it as asymmetric key cryptography technique. We have not yet discussed any asymmetric key cryptography technique as of now. After completion of all the possible methods we are going to use in symmetric key cryptography, then after completion of symmetric key, then we go to asymmetric key cryptography techniques. So these are some of the terms which we are going to use in our coming classes, and not only that, so coming to the substitution method in the cryptography techniques, we are having two types of methods: substitution method and transposition method. Substitution method means replacing a character in place of another character is called substitution method. Additive cipher comes under substitution method. So what we have done in additive cipher, if you take the plain text hello, HELLO, we consider key is equal to 15, H means 7. In the additive cipher, we assigned some numbers to the characters. H is 7, 7 plus 15 mod 26, which is 22. So that is equal to W. In place of H, we are replacing with a W. So replacing a character in place of another character is called substitution method. So additive cipher comes under substitution method. Similarly, transposition method means changing the positions of the characters. Suppose if you take HELLO, the first character will be placed in third position, second character will be placed in fourth position, third character will be placed in second position, fourth character will be placed in fifth position, fifth character will be placed in first position. We are changing the positions of the characters, means we are permuting. Permutations means that is what arranging the characters in different positions. We are permuting the characters, then we call it as transposition method. Basically, in our cryptography techniques, both substitution and transposition, combination of these two we are going to use. We don't use only substitution method, we don't use only transposition method. Combination of these two will help us a lot in giving a better output in cryptography. So these are the basic terms which we are going to use in our coming classes. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.